Hi guys, it's Kelly Latevola here, and I am back for day 3 of the Honeybee 4th birthday celebration, and we are just going to dive right into it. I hope you guys have been heading over to the blog to check out the inspiration that the design team has been doing, because they're really making some really awesome things, and it's good to see them in action. So as I've told you in the previous 2 days, there's kind of like little themed little sets that go together. So the first one that we are starting out with, this is the Friends Forever, and this is like the dog version of the sentiment. So you can see like, sorry life's been so rough, so glad you're part of my pack, which I really like that one. And then it has the matching dies that go with it as well. It also has a Friends Forever stencil, but this could be used for puppies or kitties because it just has a little paw prints on it. And again, this is a 2-pack stencil. So there's one that has slightly larger just paw prints, to create like a background. I can totally see using these with distress inks, distress oxides. And then the smaller one alternates the paws with the hearts. And I think that one's totally adorable. I just love all things animals, don't you? Like, they're just so stinking cute. So that is the dog version. There is also a cat sentiment, and this is it's called Perfect Sentiments. I would do the purr because that's how it's spelled, but I can't roll my R's, so you're out of luck. But they're just, super cute little, like, are you kidding me right meow? There's another one that says something about like having 9 lives. They're adorable. And again, dies that match that. Here are the actual puppies. This is the Puppy Love stamp set. These also have matching dies. There's a bunch of different dogs in here. Some that are like action shots, a lot of accessories, balls, rope toys, treats, all those little things to add in. And then they all have the coordinating dies that go with them. And then this one is like a little bit extra. It's a dog house. Yeah, dog house die. That's what it's called. Which I can see that using that like a smaller, like if you were doing a scene, the chickens that we saw yesterday, like you could put that together and use it as like a chicken coop just further off into the distance. Here are the kitties, and I'm not a cat person. Like, I'm just going to own it. I'm dogs over cats, but I am going to watercolor the daylights out of that little cute kitten in that gouache. Like, they're in the galoshes with flowers, and then there's some hanging off of balloons. Like, I mean, honestly, it's starting to change my mind about cats. Not kitties. I do like kitties. Cats. But anywho, moving on to, speaking of watercoloring, this is the Watercolor Lines cover plate. So this is a cover plate. It cuts those lines out so you can, do like a textured background. Speaking of standalone dies, there is also this little pickup paper piecing die. My son had his hands all over this release, and somehow he missed this, probably because it doesn't look like, you can't tell it's a truck because it's paper piecing, but he's going to love the daylights out of this thing. He just doesn't even know it yet. He is pickup trucks all the way. This Missing You stamp and die set, I really, really like. It has some for the outside and some for the inside. So there's one that says goodbyes aren't forever. They're just like, I'll miss you till I see you again. Anyway, one goes on the inside, one goes on the outside, and I love them. And then there's another one that's like kind of silly and fun, and it says I'll miss you, but probably not as much as you'll miss me because I'm awesome. Like, that's hysterical. I would totally send that to one of my girlfriends. So that is it for today, day 3. And then I will be back again tomorrow. Again, in case you haven't seen any of the other videos, please head over to the blog to check out the inspiration. If you spend $35, you get a free bee stamp. If you spend $75, you get a free bee stamp and the matching die. If you spend $100, you get a free bee stamp, the matching die, and the bee enamel pin, which is not available for sale. So that is all of that. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.